Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva, with your favorite criminal defense attorney here in LA. All right, you guys, Luigi Mangione is back in the news, and he's back in court in New York because his defense have come up with two big arguments in evidentiary hearings. The first, Miranda. The second, an illegal search of his backpack. Now remember, the illegal search of his backpack is really interesting because so much evidence was garnered from it. They got the gun, the 3D printed gun, the silencer, his manifesto notebook. This is really strong evidence against Luigi, and what the defense wants to do is keep it out. And how are they doing it? Well, they're actually saying that the search of his backpack was illegal. It was carried out without a warrant, and there was no exigent circumstance. So what's an exigent circumstance? Cops can get around a warrantless search of people's belongings if they believe that it's urgent, that if they don't do it, there could be harm to the public or harm to a person or harm to the police. Well, in this case, the officers said that we searched his backpack because I believe there may be a bomb in there. Well, the defense's argument is, wait a second, a bomb? Why would you think there was a bomb in his backpack? In fact, we believe it was a ruse in order for you to do an illegal search of his backpack. It's going to be so interesting, everybody, to see how the court rules because the defense does have a strong argument. I think a better exigency reason would have been, hey, there could be more guns in his backpack and we were afraid that maybe he would use it. But a bomb? I don't know, you guys. I'd love to hear your opinions, and I will be watching and letting you know everything about Luigi. It is going to be really interesting to see what the court rules, because without those pieces of evidence, if they are kept out, the case becomes a little bit more difficult for the prosecution. Would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for subscribing, everyone. Be safe out there.